Hello dear students, today we're going to talk about how to remember values of sine and cosine on unit circle, right? So today we're just going to talk about first quadrant, right? So because all other values in the second, third and fourth quadrant will come from here. They will be same values, but depends on the quadrant, they will have different signs. So let's talk about how to remember sine and cosine. Okay, so what we want to do, we want to figure out values of 0 degrees. So, and this is fingers, right? So this is our hand. All fingers above this line will be cosine values. All fingers below this line will be sine values, okay? So, cosine, so how many fingers do we have? We have 4 fingers, right? And for sine, we have 0 fingers below, right? Nothing. So what we need to do is to divide by 2 and take square root, right? And what do we get here? We get 1, because square root of 4 is 2, 2 divided by 2 is 1. And here, square root of 0 is 0, divided by 2 is 0. Next value, next angle, 30 degrees, 30 degrees. So how many fingers do we have above this line? 3. And how fingers below? 1. And as I said, we need to take square root of each value and divide by 2, right? So this is value of cosine, square root of 3 over 2, and value of sine of 30 degrees will be 1 over 2, right? Square root of 1 is 1, and 1 divided by 2 is half. So 45 degrees, same analogy. So here we have above, we have 2 fingers, and we take square root of 2 divided by 2, and for sine it will be 2 fingers, right? So it will be 2 square root of 2 divided by 2, 60 degrees. So for cosine we have 1 finger above this line, right? Square root of 1 over 2, same analogy. And for sine, it will be 3. So it will be square root of 3 over 2, right? So 1, 2, 3, 3 fingers. And 90 degrees, so it will be here. Okay, so for cosine, we have no fingers, so it will be 0 over 2, or just 0. And for sine, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Square root of 4 over 2 will be square root of 4 is 2. 2 over 2 is 1. Here we go. Now you know how to remember values of cosine and sine using your hand. And in the next video, we'll discuss other 3 quadrants. See you around. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us.